Howdy folks, Terry Lair from Treetop Woodworking. Just a short video. Wanted to do a little video about a nail gun I got the other day. It'd just be a short video just to run through it here. But let me get you set up a little better. We'll be able to see. Here comes the earthquake. There we go. Just got it in the mail. Not even got to try it out. And it's the Milwaukee 16 gauge, 18 volt battery, finish nailer. And it's not the straight one, it's the angled one, 20-degree angled one. And this is the second generation. There's some complaints on the first one, so I hope this one's a little better. But seems like this one has some good reviews on it. I think they'll all go bad after a while because the air chamber loses air some way. And now some of these guns, they make a kit where you can fill them back up. But they really need took apart probably to help them and re-grease them too. But some of them's got a kit where you can fill them back up with air, and something like 200 pound of air or something like that. Yeah, it start off at 150, but seen a video boy put 210 pound in one, and inside the little chamber in here. And the only thing about taking them apart, I don't know if this one's like that. I can't see in there at the moment, but yeah, it's got those inverted torque screws, look like. Yeah, so you'd have to have special tools to take it apart. They don't want you to take it apart, that's for sure. But once you get it apart, it looked like pretty simple, you know, what I seen earlier on that video. But I just wanted to show a little bit of the things. Of course, it's got your belt. And here, you can see, it's got your settings. Of course, the one in the middle is the on and off. You can set it to where to just pull the trigger. You have to push down and pull the trigger one time. And you have to do it again and pull the trigger again. Or you can set it to where you can just hold the trigger down and bump it. Bam, bam, bam. You can set it like that, and it should have an LED to give some clue on battery life too. I think it's there also. It may not come on till it gets low. I'm not sure. Of course, I'm thinking you load your nails in through here, of course, and there's a little, see, where's it at? Oh yeah, right here. Little lever right here. I think that's got to be compressed, depressed, and then you slide the whole thing down. Then you can let off on that lever and come back up with the nails, and it, of course, should load them. And if it ever jams, I think kind of like this, if I can figure out what I did. Okay, yeah. Hold that up and this comes up, and if you got anything jammed, you can get in there to it. Pretty simple. I kind of like that outfit. Hopefully it won't jam very often. Kind of like that though. See, and you can move your belt thing. It's got a hole over here where you can move it to if you want it to be put on that side if you want. And one other thing, your adjustment. I don't know how this works yet. I may not have to fool with it for a while till it starts getting weak or something. I don't know. I just have to. Something I have to find out. They say you can adjust your depth, how far one's shooting your nails in with right there, and that'll be just something I have to try out there. But I just got the bare tool. I forget where I ordered online somewhere, and I thought I was getting a deal. $250. Time I got done with taxes and shipping, handling. Shipping was supposed to be free. That didn't happen. Time I got done with taxes and shipping, handling, it was right around $300. And I think you can almost go to Home Depot and get them almost the very same day if you wanted. So I didn't really gain nothing there. I think it was like $400. You can get this and a case and a battery and a charger for around $400, which is a good deal if you got the extra money. I ended up buying a case for $20. It's I think 17-inch by something, but it's big enough. It's the only reason I got it, have something to put the nails and the gun and all that in. I've got enough. It's hard to keep track of everything, but so I got the case, and see, I done had the batteries. I got 2 batteries actually, and a charger somewhere. I think it's up there at the house at the moment. But yeah, just the bare tool, you can probably look at around $300. And but I'm looking forward to using this. I've got some projects. I think this is really going to help out. Really going to help out. But I want to find me some nails. Give her a little bit of try here. Didn't lose them. Seemed like I ordered a pack of these. I think it's like 1,200 nails, and you get, I think you get 1.25 inches, or 1.5 inches, 2 inches, 2.5 inches, or something like that. You get 300 of 4 different sizes, I think is what it was. But for now, I'll probably load the smallest ones, because that's the ones I'll be using. Looks like them will probably be the ones right there. They look pretty puny. Yeah. Yeah, it looks like them is the winner of the chicken dinner there. Oh yeah, yeah. Look like there's 6 of them in there, probably got 50 in each one, something like that. We may have more than that in there, actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh yeah, 6 of them with 50 in each line. That'd be right, wouldn't it? But we'll just put one in there for now, just to check it out. See what happens here. Like I say, I'm thinking, put it in here, slide them up, and wouldn't depress this little deal here. And I think that's good to go there. I don't know if it'll shoot the very first one or not. I've never fooled with these. About 20 years ago, everybody had, well, like I say, I got to put a battery in it. Have to forgive me, folks. I've never fooled with one. I kind of like my deal here. I really like Milwaukee. I've got a 3/4 inch impact. I got a 3/4 ton truck with 8 lugs on around. It's a job to change all them, but that little jewel, just on number 2, it'll set it down to 120 or 140, whatever the torque specs are. It does it on too. And boy, it's really been handy. Of course, this little driver, I put a new roof on the house about a year ago. Of course, a tree fell on it already, but it's another story. This little driver here has been a good one. Got a light on it, and this may have a light on it. I forgot about that. But this shows you where the battery's at. If you push the button, it shows you, look like it's on 3, so that ought to be good enough for this. I kind of like that deal. And this one's got settings on it too, from 1 to 4. See, 1, 2, 2. Come on, 3, 4. Yes, and it's got 4 of them on it also. You better put it back on. Maybe 2. I don't know. Let's see. I don't remember how to get the battery off. First, I want to see something. Seems like it's locked in there pretty good. I think you have to depress this. Then you can slide that down. And you can take them back out if you want, is what it is. But we want to put them in, so we're going to get this thing going. Get us a battery in it. I guess these batteries go in backwards, don't they? Well, backwards for me. But that's cool. You can see everything going on that way. Anyway, we'll press the power button. I guess just press it one time. Well, I don't see no lights yet. Let me press it and hold it a second. There. I held it like 2 seconds and it come on. It's on shoot it one at a time, so we'll go with that. We'll just shoot her through this piece here. I've heard that say you was nailing something, you'd want to, hey, it does got a light on it, don't it? Wow, that's cool. Like you was coming down through, you wouldn't want to do it this way, because it may split out the sides if you do it that way. They say you want to go this way. I'm going to have to scoot this around a little bit. Again, that'd be something else to play with. Just see if we get one here. Mercy, buddy. That is powerful. I may have to back that one off for sure. That, I mean, if you could feel that, I'll move it over a little bit. Well, I don't know if this was a misfire or it shot all the way through or what happened there. Let's see. Shows the nail ready to fire. On and all that, for sure. But don't know what's going on. Let me unload it. Go ahead and shut it off. Go ahead and unload it. See what's going on with it. I wonder if that dropped her down out of there. Yeah, the nail's gone. It wasn't jammed in that way. Okay. Just don't know what's going on. What was that? Yeah. Reckon that's what it was. I didn't have it behind there, did I? Maybe that's how I should have had it. I just popped it loose and I think it went up like that. Let's put her together and see if it fixed it or not. Man, that's powerful. That fixed it. That's what it was. I didn't have the deal right. I guess I should have read the instructions or watched the video, huh? But actually, they didn't send me any operating instructions. But it seems to be shooting them straight through really good. Have no problems with that at all. Friends, I can tell gonna like that. But I think I'm gonna use safety glasses. Can you see it lit up there too? In there. Of course, it's got a thing where you can switch the deals. Let's see if it's a... Oh, right here in the very middle, it says mode. That switch just automatic. I don't think I'll fool with that at the moment. Save my shells. Put it back on the semi-automatic. I really like that deal. And I think it's got a little battery. Shows a battery in them right there. And it probably lights up when your battery gets too low to do anything. But I'm going to go ahead and shut her down. Yeah, I really like the fact that you can sit it flat down. Really like that. But I've got about 5 more little chick-nick tables I'm going to be using this on. Really going to help things go along a lot quicker. And I can put regular wood glue on them too. I hate using it super glue. That was just for a couple there to see how they're going to turn out. And they turned out nice. But I do know wood glue is really good, powerful stuff. Stronger than the nails, what I'm hearing. But mostly from people who should know. So, but just wanted to give you a look at her and really like the deal. Yeah, I pulled this down and then go and let her back up, and it went all the way back up here. Wasn't right here where it should be. I don't know why it didn't fire. That one looked like it was right in there, but it may not have been up where it needed to be. Has to have this little pressure and put it right there where it needs to be, I guess. But anyway, just wanted to make a short video here today of this gun. And looking forward to making a little everything with this thing. It can help out quite a bit, I think. If nothing else, just to hold something for just a minute till you get what you need done. Hold it a little better anyway. Because I don't have all the clamps that I need either. But yeah, that was that earthquake again. I've had to move the camera to say goodbye to you folks anyway. But I do thank you for watching. If you have any questions, any comments, any suggestions on what I should do different on loading, unloading, whatever it might be on this, because I've never had a nail gun. I've got a E-swing over there that I've always used, a framing hammer. And good for a back scratcher too. That's surely the truth. But I'll see you a little further around the mountain. Did I ever get one in there? It took me about 50 of those nails, but I finally got it figured out. Thanks for watching.